What's up, guys? It's your boy Sonny Simon from JK Media Productions, and right now there's this video I want each and every one of us to watch, and please watch this video to the end because this is a very educative video. It's about a man who left the Nigerian army and became a herbal doctor. God has been using him to do so many wonders, like those that couldn't walk, those that has so many kind of ailments. He has been able to use his hands to heal them with the help of herbs and other concoctions he has been able to mix. And shout out to Lucky Odu for putting this video out there. And let's just watch the video to the end. Once we do, there's something I'd love to tell you about this video at the end of this video. Thank you.
There's something special about this man's hand. This woman came to his office looking like this, and here she is living like this. This is the story of Dr. Bakaida, and not too many persons are even talking about it. This man left the Nigerian army to become a herbal doctor, and there are so many testimonies around his practice.
Hi, my name is Dr. Bakaida. I left the Nigerian army to become a herbal doctor. By God's grace today, I've used this my bare hand to heal people who have problems with spinal cord, rheumatism, stroke, and so many other problems.
Dr. Bakaida, it is difficult to believe that the video I saw is real.
Yeah, it's always very difficult for people to believe that what I'm doing is real. You cannot believe it until you come and see by yourself, because it's like a magic to many people. People have seen my videos, both the one I'm posting on my platform, and a lot of people have come here to verify if it's true. A lot of content creators like Lozeus and Mr. Executive have come in to treat the mother, and even Brainjota. When I told her about what I'm doing, he said no, it's not possible. When I came to Lagos to treat people, Brainjota even came, he videoed everything, and it's in his platform as well. So people don't believe it until they see it. Tomorrow, a lot of people will be coming here for treatment. You can come for yourself and see the crowd that will be here, and how some people will get instant healing and some people will get a very visible progress in their treatment just within that day.
I'll be glad to witness this. I'm curious to know, how did this all start? Would you mind to satisfy my curiosity?
Okay, it was never my intention to become a herbal doctor, but today I'm very happy, and it is the best thing that's ever happened to me, being a herbal doctor, not only because of the wealth I have amassed from it through the grace of God, but also for the impact I have created in community. A lot of people believe that if you have knee problem like rheumatism, that the only solution to it is surgery. We have people who have come from outside Nigeria, from Spain, from UK, from USA to this my house to come and do treatment. When they told them that they're going to do surgery to correct that problem, I have helped a lot of people with spinal cord injury. I helped a lot of people with rheumatism, a lot of people with stroke. They have been in it for many years. They have gone to several places, orthopedic, and there is no solution. But with my bare hands and those help God has given to me, I have used it to deliver a lot of people. And I'm so happy I'm saving humanity.
This is still hard to believe. I mean, if a medical doctor that have studied extensively for years tells you that there's nothing we can do about your problem, they come to you and they find healing, how does that even make sense? Is this something spiritual or this is natural?
Well, it has spiritual connotation because it's a spiritual gift that God has given to me, but it also has physical connotation in the sense that all these things, they are all natural herbs created by God Almighty. It is biblical in book of Genesis chapter 1 verse 22, Ezekiel 47 verse 12, book of Revelation chapter 22. They say that God Almighty created all roots and all herbs for the healing of the nation and for the service of men. But the major problem we have today is that we perish for lack of knowledge. God has made everything simple and easy for mankind, but we neglected the gift of God to mankind, especially to we Africans. Before this invention of a lot of what we are using today, as Africans have survived for decades without all those things. How did they survive? They use these natural items, these natural herbs. We have very powerful herbs that can cure anything at all, but we neglected all those things. That's why people are suffering. More diseases are propping up, more sickness are coming out every day. But if you use nature, those God has given to us, those herbs, those food that our parents has been eating before, so you not even fall sick. Even if you fall sick, there are herbs around you which you can use to cure. But people are running away thinking that it is diabolic to use herbs to treat themselves. But it's not diabolic. It's a nature's gift to mankind.
Wow, and you've been able to tap into this gift.
I'm able to tap. When I was coming into it initially, I was seeing, because when they were telling me that it's my gift, my grandfather was doing that, and it's inherited, so it's my turn. Like, I inherited it from my great grand.
You mean he taught you?
He didn't teach me, but most of the time he did it and he died. So in Igbo land they say something maramadama. You can be telling your family, they say it is you that we're going to do what your grandfather did. So when they told me that this is me that I'm going to do, I said no. My dream was to become a general in the army. That's why I went into Nigeria Defense Academy. So initially when I left the army, after I have encountered too many problems because I refused to do the work. When I started this work, it was as if I'm not going to make anything. I was seeing it as if I'm going backward. I never knew that the Bible said that gift of God maketh one rich and added no sorrow. When I started doing this work, because of people are getting good results from what I'm doing, money started coming, because getting money is all about solving people's problem. If you have solution to people's problem, naturally money will look for you. You will even be running, money will be pursued, because you have solution and there are too many problems everywhere. So since God has given me this great gift, I started doing it gradually. Initially it was very hard, but at a point in time, I started saying that this is the best thing that has ever happened to my life, because those things I was thinking that I'm going to earn, I'm going to earn in a month as an officer. Even I earn it in a day or double of it every single day. So today I'm a very, very fulfilled herbal doctor. We have a lot of inventions. We have about 40 products in our shelves. We are even preparing something that is not even in the market, a kind of drink that is not in the market. That one, I think it will be something I'm going to talk about maybe next time you come, but I can hint you on it. We are preparing a drink that is 100% natural, no chemical in it, and it's not just going to be a drink, because many people don't like to take medications or herbs. So we are now preparing this as a drink. You understand? So that drink will be highly beneficial to your health, beneficial to somebody who has diabetes, who are prostrate, who have ED, erectile dysfunction, and so many other kind of diseases, including cancer and other things. So we are preparing a lot of things. So I'm so happy and fulfilled answering God's call in my life.
This drink you're talking about, is it going to be like alcohol or juice or something?
We are going to have two types of it. We are going to have the one that will be alcoholic. We're also going to have the one that is not alcoholic.
Wow, interesting. Sir, there's something that's been bothering me. Why is that when people get older, they find it difficult to walk? What do you think causes things like this? Because I'm really scared as I'm getting older and I keep seeing old people unable to walk, unable to move. People have stroke, people have arthritis here and there. What do you think are the causes of these things?
Okay, thank you very much for the question. There are a lot of things I have found out that is causing this problem. You know, when we're at our young age, especially olden days, it wasn't like that. My grandfather, at the age of 130 years before he died, he wasn't using walking stick. My dad is close to 80 years, he's not using walking stick, he's not using eyeglass, because this man believes in herbs and nature. But I found out that this issue of rheumatism, arthritis, stroke is rampant in this our generation. The reason being that people have neglected nature so much. You know, before when they want to drink water in our villages, then they have what they call clay pot. I have it inside here where I drink my water from. That clay pot, when you preserve water inside it, naturally makes the water to be alkaline, and those alkaline will help to fight off diseases. Those days, in olden days, if they want to drink pawpaw juice, they will get pawpaw directly, blend pawpaw and eat it as fruit. But today, what we are eating is they will go to the market, you say coconut flavor, mango flavor, all those chemicals. They will not harm you immediately, but they will harm you when your immune system becomes weaker. That is when the old age has set in. Another thing again that is causing this rheumatism and arthritis that is very rampant today is cold water. People are drinking cold water, and cold water closes the artery. When your artery is closed, blood will not flow well. And when blood are not flowing well, like if you have some heat on your hand, if blood happen to be in that particular spot, you are having pains. So when this blood are not flowing very well through your veins and artery, it will be causing you serious pains in your body system. Another things that are causing all these problems among elderly people are chemical consumptions. We consume a lot of chemicals today, in the sense of we are consuming these confectionaries, all these oyibo, all this foreign food, all this packaged food. All this packaged food, they are not good for our system. If you want to be healthy, try and make sure that everything you eat, they are 100% natural. If you're able to eat 100% natural food, you are not going to be sick. It's not possible. And not just only eating 100% natural food, but make sure that your diet is balanced. You eat fruits, you eat vegetables, you eat if you want to drink natural drinks that are more beneficial than most of the drinks we take today. Like we have kunu, we have soya milk, we have zobo. But some of us now have even got to the extent of we are adding chemical to them, using zobo flavor, using pineapple flavor instead of using the actual pineapple to make that zobo drink. So a lot of things are the cause. This I said that are a few among other things that causes rheumatic arthritis among our people today.
Wow, this is really interesting. Something tells me that you're actually speaking to me directly. I have one more question to ask. I'm so sorry. Okay, before I ask this question, I'm sure that there are people who are interested to meet Dr. Bakaida. Is there a way people can reach you?
Yeah, people can reach me through my phone number or through my Facebook page. Once you message me on WhatsApp, you will get me. I also have office in Aba. My office is at number 36 Oboya Road, Aba. Although we have so many branches, but 36 Oboya Road, Aba is my main office where you can walk in anytime, make your consultation, and get some medication if you want.
Okay, can you call your phone number, a number registered on WhatsApp?
Okay, my WhatsApp number is 090-9768-4114.
All right. Okay, so the question I have is my tummy. Sorry, my tummy. Why do you think people have tummy? Young guys are having big tummy. Sorry, I don't know if you know the answer to this question, but I just want to know because I'm curious. Sometimes I don't even eat for days, and then the tummy, if I just eat something little, even if it's just meat pie, to just come up. You know, like I really don't know why this is happening. Could this be a result of my lifestyle or my habits, or I really don't know. I'm curious.
Okay, thank you very much. I will give my own answer. I would say it's dietary. See, Hippocrates is the founder of modern medicine. There is one quotation he made. He said, "Let your food be your medicine, and let your medicine be your food." This means that anything you are going to put inside your mouth, check the health benefit of it. Ask yourself, this thing I'm going to eat now, what's the health benefit? What am I going to benefit from eating this food? But many people today, they eat food because it's sweet, it's delicious. Our people say that if an and English people say that bitter is better. It's better to eat bitter things. It's easier for you than for you to eat sweet things. People prefer to eat sweet things than to eat bitter things. But that bitter things will keep you longer, give you longer age, while the sweet things will kill you earlier. So what part of those things that makes someone to have big belly is dietary and lack of exercise. And most of the food you eat, you should know the kind of food to eat. Make sure that the food you also add food that will be able to detoxify your system. Like food like orange will help to detoxify your system. Orange will help you have flat tummy. Lemon, something like a pineapple, something like cucumber, something like watermelon. This will help you to detoxify your system.
Wow, that's interesting. One more question. Acid reflux is something that disturbs me so much.
Acid reflux could some people may refer it as an ulcer. You understand? Some people see it as an ulcer. It depends on the particular symptoms you are having. So, but in everything, if you have a good balanced diet, you are free and you are good to go. I can't remember the last time I took medication. The only health challenges I have, which I'm working on now, is stress. That's the only health problem or challenge I'm having. For the past 8 years now, I don't think I've taken medication or anything. The only thing I do, I find that if I work too much, when I feel that I'm stressed or I've worked too much, I'll take like 3 days or 4 days off from work. Apart from working too much or having a lot of workload for myself, I don't think I have any health challenges at all. Why is so is because of my lifestyle. I don't even use conventional spices to cook my food. We use natural spices. Like I may show you if you are interested to see. Like if you are cooking stew, we have natural spices. It's a combination of cinnamon, bay leaf, turmeric, garlic, and a lot of spice, natural spices, including crayfish. We don't pound our crayfish, you grind it to become empowered. When your crayfish is grounded, it can easily circulate around your soup and give it a better taste. If you see the food, when you eat it, they tell you that they didn't cook it with Maggi, you won't believe it. And this is how our old parents, our forefathers have been cooking their food with natural spices like ogiri and openi. And they live long, 130 years, 140 years. But today's generation, somebody who is 70 years, you see the person struggling to walk, struggling to read. And this is as a result of running away from nature. Nature is life. And the more you run away from nature, the sicker you become. The closer you come to nature, the healthier you are going to be.
When I first see her when she come here, was she able to walk? She wasn't able to walk. Okay, they have to assist her. But now she's able to walk unaided. Wow.
Mommy.
Mama, you are smiling. Okay, Mama, when last did you walk on your own? I bet who you speak?
Last.
How many months now? August.
After August, have you?
Okay, so the last time she walked by herself was in August 2023. But now in February 2024, she's able to walk by herself. Wow, that's interesting.
This is after just one-time treatment. See, the truth is that there is no kind of dismobility problem someone have that God cannot use me to cure. But the only challenge you have currently is that we don't have enough accommodation. And by God's grace, we are working on something. We have a place we call Bakaida Healing Home, which we are putting up now. So like this woman, if she stays with me for 7 days, she will run.
Where is she from? Is she coming from? Is she here in Aba?
No, okay, they said they came from Imo State.
They came all the way from Imo to Abia
Most
State.
people here, they came from different places.
Wow.
Where do you come from? Yeah?
I'm sure we all enjoyed that video. Like, God has been using this man to do miraculous works. God has really used this man to heal so many persons. So many persons. People travel from abroad, from different places to come and meet this man. And God has been using him with the help of God, has been able to solve problems that even is difficult to be solved in the hospital or in other medical facilities.